Hello everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin Dorks, your daily source for the latest updates on cryptocurrency markets and important news. In today's video, we will be discussing the recent developments surrounding the much-anticipated Bitcoin ETF and the impact it may have on the cryptocurrency industry. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with our daily content. Let's get started. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has been the subject of much speculation and anticipation regarding the approval of a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF. A Bitcoin ETF would allow investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin through traditional investment channels, such as brokerage accounts and retirement portfolios. Many industry experts and enthusiasts believe that a Bitcoin ETF could bring increased liquidity, accessibility, and legitimacy to the cryptocurrency market. A Bitcoin ETF would essentially allow investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without directly owning the digital asset. It would function similarly to traditional ETFs, which track the price movements of an underlying asset or index. With a Bitcoin ETF, investors could potentially buy shares of the ETF through their brokerage accounts or retirement portfolios, just like they would with any other listed security. The idea of a Bitcoin ETF has gained traction primarily because it would provide a more accessible and regulated means for investors to enter the cryptocurrency market. Currently, many potential investors are hesitant to navigate the complexities of cryptocurrency exchanges, which can be intimidating and pose security risks. One prominent figure who has voiced his optimism regarding the eventual approval of a Bitcoin ETF is Mike Novogratz, a well-known investor and CEO of Galaxy Digital. Novogratz has expressed confidence that the SEC will approve a Bitcoin ETF, emphasizing that it is not a matter of if but when. His positive sentiment is shared by many who believe that a Bitcoin ETF would bring increased liquidity, market stability, and mainstream adoption to the cryptocurrency market. The regulatory body is primarily concerned with investor protection and preventing market manipulation. The SEC wants to ensure that appropriate safeguards are in place before granting approval, including robust custody solutions to safeguard investors' assets, market surveillance mechanisms to monitor for fraudulent activities, and transparency in pricing and trading practices. The approval of a Bitcoin ETF would not only have implications for individual investors but also for the broader cryptocurrency industry. It could potentially attract a significant influx of institutional and retail investors who have been waiting for a regulated investment vehicle to enter the crypto market. This increased participation could lead to greater market stability, improved liquidity, and increased trading volumes, which could further validate Bitcoin as a legitimate and valuable asset class. Another area that could be impacted is market liquidity. The introduction of a Bitcoin ETF could potentially bring substantial liquidity to the cryptocurrency market. The ETF structure allows for easier buying and selling of Bitcoin, attracting larger volumes of trading activity. Increased liquidity can contribute to more stable price movements and reduced volatility, making cryptocurrencies a more attractive investment option for risk-averse investors. With a Bitcoin ETF in place, the market could experience improved price stability. As the ETF tracks the price movements of Bitcoin, it creates a direct link between the underlying asset and the ETF's price. This link can help mitigate some of the extreme price fluctuations that are often associated with the cryptocurrency market, providing a more stable investment option for investors. The approval of a Bitcoin ETF would provide regulatory clarity for the cryptocurrency industry. It would demonstrate that the SEC, a key regulatory body, recognizes Bitcoin as a legitimate investment asset. This clarity can help alleviate some of the uncertainties surrounding cryptocurrency regulations, encouraging further innovation and development within the industry. Institutional investors have been eagerly waiting for a regulated investment vehicle like a Bitcoin ETF to enter the cryptocurrency market. The approval of a Bitcoin ETF could open the doors for institutional investors to allocate funds into cryptocurrencies, leading to significant capital inflows. Increased institutional participation can provide greater market depth, enhance market efficiency, and attract additional institutional-grade financial products and services. A Bitcoin ETF could also lead to the development of new financial products and services built around cryptocurrencies. It could encourage the creation of derivative products, options, and futures contracts tied to Bitcoin's price, providing investors with more sophisticated investment tools. This expansion of the cryptocurrency market could foster innovation and further bridge the gap between traditional finance and the emerging digital asset space. The SEC has raised concerns related to investor protection, market manipulation, and custody solutions. The industry and regulators need to work together to address these concerns and establish a robust framework that ensures the safety and integrity of the ETF market. The approval of a Bitcoin ETF could offer several benefits to both individual investors and the broader cryptocurrency industry. Firstly, it would provide a regulated and secure investment option for those who are interested in Bitcoin but are hesitant to navigate the complexities of cryptocurrency exchanges. Additionally, a Bitcoin ETF would allow investors to diversify their portfolios by gaining exposure to the cryptocurrency market without directly owning Bitcoin. As we eagerly await the SEC's decision on the Bitcoin ETF, it is important to remember that regulatory considerations and investor protection are paramount. A well-regulated and transparent Bitcoin ETF has the potential to bring significant benefits to the cryptocurrency industry, but it is crucial that any approved ETF meets the necessary regulatory standards. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this discussion on the Bitcoin ETF insightful. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow cryptocurrency enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily updates on cryptocurrency markets and important news. Thanks for watching.